Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can instantly fix your ping in Mobile Legend. So there are a few steps that you have to do in order to get better ping. So the first method is just simply go to settings, then scroll down and click on additional settings. Now again scroll down, click on developer option. Now again scroll down and enable Wi-Fi throttling, and always keep mobile data on. Now after enabling both of them, check do you have a stable internet connection or not. So for doing that, go to your home screen, go to your browser and search speed test. Just simply click on speed test. Just simply search and check whether do you have a stable internet connection or not. So as you can see, I have a stable internet connection. So for some reason, if you don't have a stable internet connection, what you can do is just simply enable and disable your Wi-Fi and mobile data once or twice, or just simply enabling your airplane mode or flight mode and check whether your issue is fixed or not. And for some reason, if you're still facing the problem, the last solution is just simply go to settings, then search for apps, then just simply click on apps. Now in here, just simply search for Mobile Legend, then click on Mobile Legend. Now firstly, just simply enable auto start, then click OK. Now in the app permission, just simply click on app permission and give the application permission for your file and media. Then again go back. Now for your location, just simply allow the access, then go back. Again allow it and go back. Now after you have done this, just simply again go back, then scroll down and click on battery saver, then click no restrictions. Then after doing that, go back. Now lastly, just simply click on clear data and click on clear cache. So after you have done this, just simply restart your device and your issue should be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.